Kevin. Ground settle.
Same thing again.
Good luck. Troy with a 9.8. Drama settle with a 9.9. And Giants with 11.19. Drama settle in first. Troy in second. Giants in third. With 2 laps in, Drama settle has a 35 flat. Troy with a 35.4. Giants a 28.5 flat. Troy, ground settle, Kevin. Between Troy and ground settle, less than half a second. Between ground settle and Kevin, 2.2 seconds. Between Troy and ground settle, 0.01. Ground settle takes first, puts Troy in second, with 0.3 seconds between the two. Troy with the fastest lap, 9.81 on his first lap, and on lap number 7. Ground settle, Troy, Kevin. Between ground settle and Troy, less than half a second. Between Troy and Kevin, 3 seconds. Troy takes first, puts ground settle in second, Kevin in third. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Coming up on 3 minutes remaining. Troy, ground settle, Kevin. Troy pace, 35.5. Ground settle, 35.8. Giants, 29.510. Between Troy and ground settle, 0.8 seconds. Between ground settle and Kevin, 5 seconds. Fastest lap total in Troy, 9.81. On his first lap, and on lap 11, going on to 12.
Oh, what the hell, Troy? Hold on. You're good. Come on, you're ahead of me.
Halfway through the race. Troy in first, Drama settle in second, Giants in third. Troy in first, Drama settle in second, Giants in third. 1 minute, 50 seconds remaining. One minute, 40 seconds. Troy pace, 29.503. Ground settle, 29.507. Kevin, 29.510. Between Troy and ground settle, 2.2 seconds. Between ground settle and Kevin, 2.5 seconds. Troy, ground settle, Kevin. Between Troy and ground settle, 2.3 seconds. Between ground settle and Kevin, 3.5 seconds. Troy, ground settle, Kevin. Troy with the new fast lap at 9:48 on his 22nd lap.
1 minute left.
$50 seconds remaining. Ground settle, Troy, Kevin. Drama settle in first, Troy in second, Giants in third. $15 seconds remaining. Drama settle pace, 29.506. Troy, 29.506.5. Giants, 28.502. Keep racing till you hear your name called.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mr. Kevin Dunn.
Ground settle in first, Troy in
Troy
second,
Dunn.
Kevin in third.
Chris Dunn.
Ground settle takes
All
first.